Hello, and welcome to Coding Cave. My name is Andre,
And my name is Chris.
and today Chris will continue talking about the Elm architecture.
All we see is hello world. How do we actually press buttons and stuff? So let's do that example. Say we have a, oh, let's change this to a div first of all. And let's add a second element here. So we have a button, HTML.button. It takes in two parameters, a list of attributes and a list of elements. The element will be some text that says, click me. And then the attributes, well, we can have a bunch of different attributes, but one that was of particular interest to us is an HTML.events, and it's the on-click thing. On-click, that will take a type message or type action in our case. So we only have one variant of the action, which is press button. So on-click, when someone presses this button, when someone presses this button, the on-click function will trigger the press button action and send that to our update function that accepts actions and models. So the update function will accept the action that was triggered and the current model at that state, and then it will return the new model to update our state with. So if we get the action press button and our model of 0, what do we want to do to it? Well, for right now, let's just say we'll add one. And this is giving me an error because I'm using HTML.events, but I'm not importing it. So HTML doesn't import all of the modules that are after it. You have to import those as well. So if you want HTML.events or HTML.attributes, you need to import HTML.events or HTML.attributes. All right. So if we go back down here, and if you want to kill Elm Reactor or to make it stop running, just click Control C twice and it will stop. So if we do elm make source/main.elm, it's successful. And let's open what it produces. And there's click me. Oh, I'm clicking it, but I don't see anything changing. And that's because in our view function, we haven't actually given the view function anything from our model to show. So we can change that right now. Clean this up a little bit. Let's add a third element to our list. HTML.text. This time the thing that we want to see is model. But remember, model is a type int. So text needs type string. How do we get int to string? Well, if you look in the documentation, you can use string dot from int. That will give us exactly what we want. So if I save this, this should do what we want. So run elm make source/main.elm. Successful. Let's open up the index.html file. And as you see, we see hello world, the click me button, the number 0. But what happens when I click the button? And it updates. And that's the basics of a web application in Elm.
And that is all for the Elm architecture. Give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.